And then some Professor Mabel Otibuedi Etanasi, ye din komo efa di fano neurodevelopmental disorders. A baby after fro or kwa woso na so kwa woso a obano na akra no won no na no ho atochima. No one we pa ba hunu se fe ni yeka ene wa wo kramai ba ene wa wo bosomba ene wa wo honhomba sa ebeya wa ho ni die eye dangerous. And the say you could join a quiet every say, Nananum amayem ba no mine in Yanji. No be adding contract. Then no call forest be near Kojanafine. Obako man be so some of Frano, yet in that and no more Mombaya pim for. The Boncrophobia no more Sayaronobia and now Omambaya global icons are or propounding theories and Hodua. I didn't die if you see it to blow your mind. Eti yana sa wo akrano na akrano ne hotochima wonya bosomba wonya akra wasei nyabotre
na so ahwe ya amanye nti makika memra so asiyesini akama ya samupai akwada hu dachi anana ni aje
obi wona bana ase na we de nyamede na ade mami we de asa nkwayi o no osu ebi akadem obi a wona ba bi ni ti kese kakra wakadem obi a wona ba ne kasa mantem wakadem ebi kura buru mo ye hwemu no omo buru mo ano mato mpon no wapue ebi so ne pue a ebi ebesere mame fo bre darmetie kosa hodo e bae no ana me ne yakosu age no in fact anu ohye ebi bre pa
Septi manyre mi wensyo dia oyi medi kwan so maye di kan be di achre ma fo nyina ye jami ti mamu fama di sua ni agro mamu fama di sua ni agro kra aka everybody na sanja aka safu so mi kami aka misa kwada kema
What was a fallout? Ediana Motio na eba cause and hold we buy no. Ediana eba, how can we help such women especially? So when you make our science no Isaac Newton, what else is 1643 to 1727? Why you be a no being of physics, maths, astronomy, and which I say the suspected person Isaac Newton no was a neurodevelopmental disorders. Hey, you have no idea what God can do. Oh, my member and Prempono, Elon Musk, what the machine echo, a kind of say mass so now what person colonize a mass. Elon Musk, what any inventions, space inventions, launching a whole recent discovery. And in Komodia, Yana adi ebinom na de kire say ono so na obi engineering power bimu physics AI wa bimu wono so wa ibia enti wonni ma make kire oba no aye o say the kasa ache akachi on penny mo hwe na oye style bi no brebi wono ho na busafo we can get a great person out of such a child. Charles Darwin, not autistic. Marie Curie, not autistic. Albert Einstein, no Martin, not autistic. Hey, Jadi Awoye no. Na wonnim adwonko a ade beche so. They say Obano, Emprano, and say no. Ebusafo mama yemboa sa mamifoi. Akosia
Papa
memo ache
mejusu
akosia I don't know na I was say many prof etumi kako baby
yes
enti ye kwanya na etie calls no na ebi wana na ira ho say obi say okura mienu na otumi mpie
yeah
ba kon to be nante na so ba kon so kan bi na make a prof say prof
yeah
and for bre
because
what did you make out of the whole thing?
Papa na menim say ye wo autistic children,
Right.
And I say cerebral palsy,
Right.
And I say all kinds of ye more who do be said the Prof Chichi mono,
Right.
But na menim say a dose sa because course ne buy no almost 90%. Minsumi wo bio, minsumi wo bio, minsumi wo bio, minsumi wo bio. Minsumi obi na mekai se December Sompa akra ye chair e moni anwa ma ye listeners
Okay.
enti ye ko chair maami bi ene ye kwa na ne ba ye bia
Okay.
ti akwada no kra na ode ma na kra na te fom wabubu ene ade enti na papa na ye to be honest with you omo friend no na afei me say what can we also do na maami ba akokra de wo se e woton katie
Otonkati.
enti ya na ode akwada na ba ko hye na chi bankrofo hu se de akwada ni siti a ade no kro mo nto omonto enti
to look at the economic implication
nti wan na be hye akwada wan na be hwe no most of them so mo kru no madwane agya wo mo
Akusa mema no from where you sit why do you think mema no be dwane
so ono dwen say ye wo na wa wo nye ono
woyemunye
ye wo eti ono no wo hu ni say nka ye de anka ye ne de but enye ne de ye wo nko awo de
obaka say o mawo
sa on feel part of ade na aba no
kai
enti papa to be honest ye tie ne ye ho meti enti ma me ba akokora de o se mienu na me wogu ha ye o minti mimpie o se me dwendwene ma ye basa minti nya adwuma min so me ho meti
Jesus Christ
enti papa ye adwen se ne Sompa akra de be ne se ye ne ye tiefo ye be pa bi sika kakra.
Wow.
Obi anfa kakramra, obi anfa kakramra, obi afa kakramra.
Wow.
Na watch bia no ya frɛ oba tan baako. Ye beba ho, ye bekɔ ba bia, ye beba be hwe nkwala no.
Wow.
Wa ba ne ama 2000 Ghana cedis.
Omafo. Mompene Sompa. Wow.
Enti ma me no friend na ne ma me no ne obedi kan ye bema no 2000 Ghana cedis next week.
Amazing.
Na ye de ama no say at least on fa nkoton bibi. Ye nso ebi ti say Bishop Morris wa contribute to 500. Nipa be bra send kakra. Ede amaye
akoso amenso mesane bi
me yedas
me
na to ase
ona mesane Jerry we we twitwa bre na yemfa nyemboa emfa mboa sankrofo no
papa ni titru ehiafo a
good
omawo ehiafo omawo nkwada omo ye yarefo
wonderful
ehiafo a omawo nkwada omo
ye yarefo
ko papa omo scan de
on your manage
obi kra de ne kwa abrochi
on your manage kra
but ohiani a otoma de wo kwan ho banche bode wakwo wo akodo oman no so ne nhihye bia de masa nkrofo no eti na bow so
my goodness
oman ni papa oman ni nhihye bia de boa wo a wo saye wo nkwan wo bed nkari
my goodness
onu so ntimi nkoye adwuma oja ne ho no akosen
my goodness
papa ebi atete ebi ho aye tan emani bi wo hu wo mo ache se wo lose the sense of value what ne what wo de onya na brabo
awo ba ko so
wo ye ne pe ko papa koda na oda dem ho no oye wo de akora na fine
akoso hu se
opi a ho na ehwe no
awo ema birth can change a woman's life.
Yeah, it's true, Papa.
Whether it is a good birth or a birth or challenge.
Yes.
It me Daniel Bano.
Papa is a son. As someone a ma be brom crom my normal no cry as normal no. Who no na the four you can say.
Aye.
And now
changing shape.
I wrinkles, stretch marks.
Look at me in the
I good no for a no for the fusu. Obi so han and nine. Obi wa see otoguso was me call we and me toguso.
That man who you are saying when you
are so when you fabian what to abum. First now you Coca-Cola they say we go there.
I say where there. I go say I want and father my bro.
I won't bet me as a son war bar obey a shadow of your old self. One shall whoop ye bar ye becca say it wouldn't what's a sakura? It's papa imagine say who normal child the crowd
and no crap on some.
Who normal child the crowd which now what dance sebio or yarifo or ye autistic and answer cerebral palsy could I be or ye disabled. I could be an near fra. Akoda na yetwitwa na nan akoda na nsa akoda ye maame enyunam Louisa enyunam beautiful feet ye wo no na nan oni nan e na oni nsa precious feet on precious feet papa oni nan na oni nsa nti omotam no so omukogya na kwan omukogya na komodi ni kotunsuom enti na missionaries bi abrofo bi aba kurase ho because also on we free royal family etomu we nom so na we di enie woni nsani 90 we de ye nkoto no nchiri nsuo komo koya amamre na missionary bi krofo bi sas na mo de ne kom so ye koto na chiri nsuo nim na om say momfa akwada ne maye what missionary ka say momfa akwada ne maye na oji akwada omoji akwada no to omoji na omode ne kom papa bi na papa no waba sompa ha abeka ne story na papa no share na di papa wo ko school eco training college ebetra de odinano na chro papa oba ha ena papa unim what orphanage esidan onie papa onie esidan enyonam Louise ena ode enkwada gum nti wono so fa nkwada na omu ni nsa omu ni nan no ena papa unim wako pension wachira wako pension wako pension wako pension Ghana education wachira dey with school mo nkra primary school junior high school
me oba ko bi ya oba masters
okuta masters obaye headmistress kra e wo obaye headmistress
wow
oni nine oni nsa ode na no na chiro ochiro perfectly ochire nkwada na dey perfectly nkwada watete wo mo ba ne kwato na tusuom missionary bi energy and say
bro ni bia o ate ne ma se
momfa ne mame
ko bi ni
e no mo de ne koma papa wa ko school ko training college awie
abetra de training crofo
training kwada
ayade
awie akọ pension
na no etro
na no atro
de
baba na ode na no tro ho no otro no ono okire mass onimade na okire mass ni
agozi okire den
mass
hey
no okire mass na da ho no
cultural studies
there be okire mass
wow
papa ye ne masters ene wa bi orphanage ene ode nkwada na omo nan na na ode omo kra ba to wa ha
hwe ne ntro fe
otimi de omo ba vacation
ye kra de yen san tro kwa tro ku
yi ni sa papa
me ncho tantan sa
oba akwa me ane da no try God loves me o trogu papa
auntie
no papa bi ni o
look at this
ba ni ato na chene say we nsuo ba
wow
onye nipa or your spirit child
or your honhomba
and
home na no what ye ma just say ko bi ni pa
wait papa ni ko ja ne kwan o we ni ko ja ne kwan papa ye ja ne kwan a enka ne orphanage na wabie no nkai amaso
what
enka wanko training college enwi a mechira de enka nkoda bebre enhu no nyanhyire mfiri ne nchen
akoza me nyina mame fo so
yes
enti womo no o kan the economic implications
yes
can be kan e bio na course ne ba na womo kan
papa ebi mu ntimi nkọ asori o
oh
eti me kra me make appeal to churches nanim say esremo ema mo nye Sunday schools ema nkwada na wo ye normal ne nko
ese say ye another one
munye bima ote omo cerebral palsy ni o say be ya anya bia papa week no bra
obetumi aba ho kakra be
3 hours there obi hye ne ba ma na ne ho heha ne kakra
na che say o say so ye training Sunday school for teachers
sa
woman
me ha san kwada
I am on the ababe kom
dabi omenye omo ho abotre because nim se san kwada no mutimi ye bibia na at least onim se Sunday me ba sorry a me so metimi aba betena ho kakra for 3 hours without any bed no me so metie nyame asam e bi se me ba sorry no ye was Sunday school a ye dey hwe san kwada no e dey ama eti churches no so we should arise
so na mo sorry
I'm sorry because woma beka ye ho mo ye nipa se nyame ensi kwan no woma ya wo ne nko ade a se nyame ensi kwan no woma ya wo ne nko ade a
wow
ene ye wo responsibility sasa nkwada no ni titiru ahiafo a woma wo nkwada o mo ye yarefo no ye ma nkwada ne mmɔ wo mo so
wow
ye ma nkwada ne mmɔ wo mo so emo wo mo ntete emo wo mo mre papa me say apart from economic no ensem wo mo tete
assembly ayeka
then wow aboa na wawo aboa o
what
yeah ubehia oba na wo ka chen se wawo kraman
how wicked can you be
utimi hia nipa na ka chen se wawo yarefo wawo yarefo bi o akwara na no so nsuo
ebi kura won so won yi
won so won
ware woni ne befi yema
yeah eti some of the worst ne kra no omuntimi na papa omuntimi mpie because akwada no one ne nama na obi ehwe no woni akwara ne nama na obi ehwe no
because you are a mother ba na maybe say speaking from the perspective of a mother so ba na akwara like or fine now obi make comment about bana as a mother how do you feel
papa
or a normal child
papa who feel bad papa
I see
ya say wawo na trebia wo pie na obi oba no cry normal
or a normal child
oba de ni ti wotutu papa just woni ni anase bi akwada no wo ni ti so kakra akwara na ni ti so saa no
tikenekere
ai se na nanso ye mfiamfia na aba se de osi nanti che sa papa ye de mini de ha yo papa etie bibi ebehu bi agisi ye kana etie de bibi ebehu bi anti wontimi hu bibi nkawa no ntum obi aka che so open opinion obi awo ena oba no na fono soso dodo ena oba no ena na namfiamfia ena oba no ena ni ti so dodo ena akoda be na ne hwene na nano aye pafo sei ne bana no ya aye ko chese ena ne na ya chia chese ye die ye pekasa dodo obi ma na chia fa ho be
de ye kran say bi wo kra onwe yo
dabi enti papa ye besre say awo na kra na bed na de brewo no ene wo haw ne abinidie ne atete no enti se woni bi papa bi a wo be ka kire obatan bi aka wano tum especially se wo hu obatan a wo kuta akwada asabi o ye yarefo na akwada no na akwada ne misbehave mbosa akwada no bi ana o ye sei no ototo no otiti maame no o ka no no o ye chese wo hu a nya compassion bi papa nya compassion bi maame ne sei enti wei ekwan be ye erade hu ne mobo ye erade sane be yare o erade ya akra yi o papa mre bi me call all night maame bi o te me nche ne ba no ye yarefo na akwada yi twa ne ho abo anajo ayi emsa se 12 no se duru wa na afe na te se sunsum bia be hye omumu o te se akwada no hu de wo ye ne ho twa ne ho a afe na maame ne ye me mobo obi e bom pai we nante ontimi nya ne ba no ho no atam ne de na bono bo no de na tana na ase no de na hye akire na akwada ne bopo no na akwada ne ye sei onu so pese otibe bom pai na maame na afe papa na mewura ho I didn't even know what to say. Me person me can't crunch some beer. But me who the only thing I can't understand who be turn what? I
could say young sorry no.
Yeah.
E be na mami why desperate inti.
Yeah.
Na or the akrana kwa sorry. Some ben ya wo mu TV sorry aso for the binche.
Papa unim. Eya ye tai sa di the papa wa Sweden. Ye tai di dance e wa so ye dance di ne be sere. Yenye careful. Sa dansidie no a eya ye di wa asore no papa ye besere eya yenye careful obetimi di adanse na ma ye te se de wodi nyame nka
ho odi di twi obi
obetimi di adanse na sa wodi nyame apaawo enti ya dansidie no ya yenye careful papa imagine so obi di adanse covid ba ye media bi anya me na de onya covid ne de nyame nka no ho
Abi nyame nka no ho.
we ye de adanse
Ai Nebuchadnezzar aseni.
enti papa ya danse ne bi ai me pese me de nyame ase enkoda numa me wo wo mu nyina enkoda nsian ba ko kure ne ho a wo ye yarefo ba ko kure ne ho ye yarefo Ewrade ne medini yo Ewrade ne medini yo Ewrade ne medini yo asidan kanyame yo eti de otimo na ne ba ye yarefo won de nyame nka ne ho ana etiefo nyame ma praise the Lord hallelujah me bede nyame ase ma wo nyina ye ncha me da yamfa se kan anka me da me yamfa se kan anka me da eye nyame me ko ya te se Hebrew woman no shirun na akora da ho me tu te se kosua shiri papa etimi akosia go boja me yes cesarean operation nyame nka me ho na etimi am yes cesarean operation nyame apa me ana
na wo bonsu yam
etimi am yes cesarean operation de won tafo no nyame ayimi ama kesa me de nyame nka me ho ana eti ya dance die ne bi wo ho a ye bedi a na ekomia ye se omo te ho
ya den kekan
sa etutu no bi se eh na de na Ewrade obi de okowo ye wo te se to se te se kosua ana me tika mu kura me do hospital na ma wo ma to te se kosua ya mfa se ka bia nka me na msa ye de se kan ka ya wo ya wo ma e mako university o manyini enti yesu ye da nyame asese nyame am ya wo bie enti papa adansidie bi wo ha adansidie bi wo ye kutia adansidie bi wo ho a eye kutia eti yenya very careful adansidie bi wo di wo no nyame nko antem in your secret place. But Benjamin, no, be sensitive to others.
Wow.
Be sensitive to others.
Wow.
Kai send the pebiti asone dem wa. And you munya me we school. San crofro bro mo tepenten kwai. Omo brei. Obi we school 10 years what if you onya adwuma nye. Me ya adwuma makomako edu we frame me na we frame. Yen kan se mani adanse o. But be sensitive.
Be sensitive.
Be sensitive. Be compassionate. Be gracious. Be merciful. Adie bi wo ha ese se wo da nyame ase privately yen meka no wo bedwam
Wow.
de me de me si so awo de ma wa me tukosua se ya enti me de nyame anya me bonini papa obeti ho wa worry 5 years onyanwo enti on de oye bonini on de me de menye bonini me de nyame ase se menye bonini. I'm not a barren woman. Menya bema me ayi chapa ma hoden me bomoden eti pacho de ono to na onyem ne me de boss wa na dem eti papa de ono to na na yere enyem ye no on de nyame nka ne ho ana
na bi odobrada
eti papa ye be stressa sorry dem adansidie no ye ne nipa na ye nyina na ye che obi afri baby obia wo the problems in the impo preachers papa preachers cry am very careful because I and now oba wote ho 40 years won ware wa brabo no akosai
won no cast won ware
and when you 40 years when you 35 years wetam no so for power dina okuta microphone e dina sorry dem o kase o ya 35 years won ware won wu inti na brabo no waka echi na brabo no chem na Sarah wo chem Hannah wo chem Rebecca wo chem enti ade we ya asema ye begina hoka emre bi kwa de sofo biam sa wo 40 years na se wonsi wo dan wie ya wa mobra wa brabo no wa brabo asai
jese ono na si na be 40 no
se nemre mo nya 40 years na se wonsi wo dan wie ya wo ye koshini papa a preacher na wotam we ka so obi anya 40 years no wonsi ni den woni ba bia nipa na free wonim ne hurdles awafam wonim ne challenges awafam wonim na bi ne die wonim ne maame bi oyare ya wotam ne sika nyina akọbo ano wonim ne baby oyare wonim di obi fam na wo ba be yusu dia e dia be judge papa am I make it doctrine out of our own personal encounters am I use doctrine make it doctrine out of your own personal encounters.
This is a deep one.
One kasa own personal enti maame na owo yare fo no de nyame nka ne ho ana
da bi nyame nka ne ho
just one de nyame adome na na
ai nyame ayi na fio
nyame adome no se one de wa wo ba and ba eye yare fo ana won de onka nipa ho won de enti a nyame permit ne ma ne wo sa akwada no won de enti a God counted her worthy with that child.
Jesus.
Do you know the reason and Yankopon count on worthy with that child? When him responsibility no the man the enti nyame pese wo de baba be ye. Eti papa yenya ahweyi ewo ye kasa yemu ye hye nipa if you have nothing good to say be quiet. When it be papa bia obeka kire wo bia. Papa people are going through so much. Wonya sorry a battle in the mind. Afi no obehye na dwene na brabo. Afi wo hia no nso a na nso wato amane no.
To be amano no.
Ato na apiese no. Eti papa yebesre. Ema no ehiafo oma wo nkwada yarefo they are already going through. Yemmoa wo mo. Se wo bi ofie a na woni mo bi sa na wo ton ade na wo de akoma no. Emu bi na wo de akoche no. E wo ma na wo hye ne nkran. Se wo betimi aso ne banim kakra no so ne manim kakra.
Wow.
Bibi kakra na ne nkwada ne di agro kakra hye ne nkran boa no. Papa nipa ye mobo.
Wow.
Me said me me chese nipa ye mobo to do presla. Ade ke tuwe bi na ma nipa ye mobo. Enti esese yenya compassion for each other.
Because communities.
Yes.
Ebia obi na ono ne si so. Ana ebi kwa ware ntem say.
Yeah.
But awomu dangers ahuru nti wako wo mba bako bia na ho atochima.
Yeah.
Obi hu an say ode wonam.
No oka.
Say fi ho de. Amamo yam ye.
Oh.
Enti oba ko a owo abofra no hotochima no. What in Kakabe Kikumbia? Because and also what is that?
Papa dear ati ne se obi okra wo enkwada a omoye normal be miensa na ba kubi na ye yarefo obi okra first one no ye yarefo ba second one no wa anya yarefo na bia third one no no ye yarefo ene ade etumo se obi ti yesi ayi o ayi wonte si wa wo akora bia wakọ wo no o chan kraman ase kotre we dey wa sabi wa wo aboa bi o we dey boni bi na o maye o boni aye boni
no me bi ofie ho
no me bi ofie ho mon check wa ye bibi pe
kai
wa ye bibi pe ne ye be conclude sesi ya ya dan Nyankopon we know all things ancient of days all knowing God.
Wow.
All knowing God.
Why
ye bibi on kind of bonny be away a bonny me show so musica no come na esika duro and untia share why ye bonny e bonny bi no ye enye kwa na ka say ye kwa na se o mbesi aka no se o mbesi o ka say ye kwa
just a complicated and simple
power papa so obi ka asamo a asenya ase she o ka say ye kwa me na me ka kire wo wo yarefo enyame na etua ne ka
God
ne boni bi a wo ye abuso no musika kro mu ye kasa saa enti ose susukuru wa wo di besusu am obi no eno a o se de o show mercy no ono so be show mercy etenam say one show mercy no one kasa you have brought judgment to yourself
hi
one kasa what would the judgment be papa monim say we answer yet no even though a physical world psychological world emotional essentially a spiritual world
hi
essentially a spiritual world etinyame say judge not so that you not because or part say the only be judge no one so did the same judgment amount who did the same judgment amount nti essentially ye de be so heavy
that's right
it is am for essentially ye de be so heavy
that's right
emre bi lady bi ebe make confessions wa fa ni kunachi
okay
and the wakochi wakokomiti adultery ndi no kokome me ade menye bi da obaba menye bi da ade ko na ukunu ye ade ndie papa na msiye obeya ko make judgment amana ho
ebeto
chire na ni kunu start misbehave ye papa ni kunu misbehave no a misbehave na brabo how she because you don't know how you will respond when you find yourself in that situation.
Act with grace,
papa. You may not know at that time, options are better.
That's right.
It is a what you will be the annual bumpire.
That's right.
And maybe to me,
and
you pray for yourself.
That's right.
Papa, a co-wiasiano also committee adultery.
There you are.
Also committee adultery.
There you are.
You have brought judgment.
Never say never.
Never say never. It is a woman say obia koto bibi ma unto mu da. unto muda eti wonnim de utoma wo beye.
That's right.
Start praying for yourself.
That's right.
Chance ye bom pa ye ma wo.
That's right.
Everybody we de humi mobo na ade ato akosua yi mesrew e mabi ntome huni mobo na misu humi mobo na we de mintimi. But the moment you be move to judgment no
na asemaba
na odi
akosa me say ye kasa kire the public na ehano e be say we appeal to enyumeku menya yanka ye see a certain center bi
yeah
your part bi a ehwenkora no and your part bi a mama me phone so ba e be rest.
yes
akosa speak to the public
papa
sika fo bebre o ha
yeah
ebi pebebi mu de musika beto enti sa appeal a ye obi mra me kan kire say
yeah
me wasase bi o ha me am pese me si prof woni ekosua and with team no pese me si baby na emofra na e wo sa o ha no omombra ho e training crofo am be omo ma me fo no so miss baby a spa bi o mu a na mabaji massage
yes
na mabaji some help nurturant services be because you speak to the public
papa the edi kan ma me fanto ministry of gender enim
right
and social welfare nim say ye ni amankrofo bi a yenkai wo mu
okay
ye ma ye ni nko wo mu
right
minim say ye wo disability laws awodo no ya na hwe wo mo bi a ne nan ba ko atwa ne nsa na ni afura abubu ani ye wo bi sa wo but enkwada na omo ye autistic no ye ni oman ni
onyini mu tos
ye ni onyini ye ni hihye bi amasa enkwada no eti aban ni social welfare % bi nte na oba ubetimi de oba ba ho se de esi wo orphanage a wutimi kasa wuntimi nhwa oba kwa wutimi de ne kono ye betimi di wo magu ye bepe ne apɛ a doctor fo ene psychologist fo ne etua wo mo ka medical professionals wo be hwe nkwada no medically na at the same time no ya san so apɛ psychologist wo ne nkwada no wo mu nim nkwada ho de beti se prof Mabel say wo mu nim sa de no wo beti no ma omo atete nkwada na at the same time wo ne maame fo na kasa na maame na hu se betimi de me ba beto mpo akwa adwuma
my god
me pon wa na bia mababa befa no eti e besre de etosum yenu sorry no yenya children's department emasa abatan no omo sa nkwada no na ankra ebiti Sompa Rhapsody de pese ye ye pese ye boa ahiafo a oma wo nkwada omo ya yarefo momo aye na ye moa empa ye betimi diska mo omo be 2000
pese ye use term yi ye use no omo nkura omo onyinimu symptom
okay onyinimu symptom
psychological term ne neurodevelopmental disorder
okay onyinimu symptom
onyini no symptom aba
omo nyinimu yes
ebi e kasa ebi e ayese na edi adwene ye adwuma ebi e nante ebi e se de won dipa hwe ni bani man nti
onyinimu symptom na yemfamoa abatom ye hiafo a oma wo nkwada omo enyinimu symptom
that's right
na yemfan support wo mo kakra yensi center bi na yemfan ho yempa chechirefo because ankwada na ebi etimi yenyina ba ye kama ebi wonya the help that is needed and answer that is required obejina na so wonya teacher ni papa wonya psychologist papa wonya medical team papa wonya the right medicine na afa yempe prayer tower for so mompa ye
miracles
yeah, tackle ni nyina yeah tackle both spiritually with prayer and then medically yes and show psychologically yes and show and na training so yes and show nti oye hiani onisika ontimi nhwa akwada no but onim say ye was center bi wa ha metimi de me bana kɔ ho na bi kra na wo twi bi ma ba be fa ne kakra bi an ma san de na ba wo mo kyerɛkyerɛ me bana de wo mo boa no wo mo hwɛ na dwenem wo mo hwɛ ne bibia mu ye ma ne nuro papa you be surprised akwada na wo dwen se bia wasɛye no ebia ye hu ne ntam ne chance ye ntam a papa wo be hu akwada no 15 years to come never surprise
ti masemi once my country say me meja wo me no
yeah
na from the way I made calculating, my father was about 80 years. Yeah, woman.
Papa, now Papa was 80 years.
He was about 80.
And what?
Now, many year analysis. On say, sperms. A beman who's you.
Yes.
And your banner who's you. And also, na errors and kitty woo and the me na me we na even on neurodevelopment and the word neuro no actually adwene ntini
okay
And I didn't seem to be one.
Okay.
And the meaning, I was very slow in learning. In fact, say a diagnosed me at that time. Among say me a slow development. It be not a rich proportional disorder, but me slow.
Okay.
And me very slow. And me kai say na me nya teacher ni bia na ochema de class 1. Ono so pemba. 10 years school there. Mo for there.
Yeah.
Me si okora.
Yes.
Me kwa na mawe, me try na mawe. No, a manifestation of a certain neurodevelopmental disorder. The only thing I say, I wasn't diagnosed.
Okay.
To be one, the background or school, akrano or yadi, osuadana and quay. They said the honorable.
I could do a punk room of a kind, yes.
A manifestations. And knew the proportional obey reach a diagnostic criteria. Say another criterion say, we dear, it be autism, it be a learning disability, it be a new way. But there are manifestations. Now, maybe say, well, you can crash a teacher for. Because if you are a teacher, no, a Quran was a no, they are bad.
Say bono.
Or bono. Punishing, go dog, go away, go no. Mungane ye kase bi egono so eno abon eno oni ma ebusia wona teacher for kase mame
papa ebra lawyer Kojo Ponkroma ba Sompa Rhapsody no kan bibi se ye de ne ba Pentecost ofi Pentecost na oba Accra no
right
ne class one na ewe kra yes on na ewe ye kan free to on na to so tu wase ba ku bi de on na obi ti ne da bi on na ewe party ewie mu wie Kojo ye kan free form one ono na etoso 2 Kojo papa echire
okay tinipa na we na Kojo atoso 2
Kojo atoso 2
Tomo ye 22
22
Kojo 21
Kojo 21
Kojo bacho
e bia na obi ti no ose
Kojo enta for one ba na ni Kojo enta for
2021 na 2020 I say akwa no de onim say wa bon kra sa akwa no kwa de obetwa no but papa was nyini no was a teachers ni friend mama so no headmistress omo friend na oba so na was ugu mani mase was no mama kraka na ugu mani mase na ade na wo ye mesankrofo friend me wo busa me ni ade teachers ni bebre na omu nya ne ho abotre edi papa e ko wi ase no onya technique bi a edi sua de
okay
papa say no na change na de sua o to mu na no anu amafom bi
what
but on say papa some time no besi be a pieces o eba ya edru junior high school
woni mo he woni future woni
serious form 1 o chance pick up eti be search for ne say wo munya nkoda ne ho abote wo bia
especially ebra results ebe
resa
JHS from atese release SHS from so de eba hwe no wan kan kire wo ba ne say
wabon
ase osika ena ade oye no nhwe ne bio
obi kura tibika tan enka me diskane di dwakra nkaye manfa ngo fufu ani me dia ko tia school fees
aso amaire
manfa ngo fufu adie me dia ko tia school fees
ma fufu ni important ese
wo se parent ma shisika gu kade ya odi aba FFF enkrofo nya no hwede wo kofa baaye ma shisika gu atakoda bi wa papa mre bi kan wa ha say from 18 years ekono na obetimi de abu akwada bi ho akonta obi wo kro secondary school no kwakwa ade obi wo so kro no a university level na wo kwakwa ade eti se wan hweye na sa woto akwada ne twene a ebi a ebe ha wadwene because ebi na bibi mpo na akwada ne famu nti a emma akwada no papa wontimi momode because papa se me wie SS no mentwa
but look at na
because no me economics Mass B na say but enema no na me kom wo me collaborate na affect me na ma me ntimi nsua de but after me koye remedials no I was able to get all the grade me nyane nyina
my god
enyane nyina kama fefefe ni BB the worst crowd was C and so cry nye your friend say wase
right
it was SSC
right
enti papa yenya nkoda no ho abote obi awo ne die se de city extra results ni be ma me nya ne we se menya odai e be de na Wesley girls afaw
me cohort no me pen na me pass obi am pass
102 I'm gonna pass it. Sabra and say
the entire time I trust exams. No, me na me pass in 1993. Me pen na me pass in that school, and I'm at the buy. Me buy legal no, but I told only free presec.
yes,
Top school.
yes,
Mempe.
Fantapem.
But because you are my attitude means through beer.
Once through beer.
Okay.
I intimidate you.
Me say me are active in class. My lecturers were very impressed about me. Me are very active. But my school no your body ya. You be in school.
Baba was good there.
Never said never school. School here Enum Presbyterian Senior Secondary.
Enum Presbyterian Senior Secondary School.
I want to go school.
Sometime no so now you try the Legon.
Me try. Tell me do Legon na me mate. Then go na me call. I was the only one until 101 Yamutu. Just one person. And I'm a call. And I was the very same person now. Yes, my bompa me school no. But from primary school na me ni.
Primary school yes so bon.
But
yeah.
I peaked from JHS to secondary school.
It's from JHS to secondary school now. I say what is you buy?
Me picky.
Papa, we are professor now. How many years?
I should be in my early 40s.
Early 40s.
Yes.
Now be a professor.
Yes.
Obi ana primary school born.
Now my bone, but my brains me no me fact nana me catch my wife say me bano me last born me man mo no pa na say me pa.
Okay.
Or a slow learner, but or a deep. Very conceptual. I am bait, I can say that Nana keep hard here. Nana is quite different. Or semepa. Oh, the expressions, the way you're telling him, I say, but the one one goes, yeah. Oh, can say go or say, oh, oh, and
the punch in you. Tony punch
and crown there. Ebi o hanu anyari enti ono no me pay teacher ma me encourage no na me encourage no are you confident pa
yeah
hey na very confident one can say me I'll do well I'm also ready computer science and I know we can do it because we is nema crowd or the computer ni which na dey pa which na me say ma enye se mbe ye art course nanka or say me ye vocational skills because ya nema metimi de mensan no
yeah
me sua de entam
yeah
which me practical things apa intentam but number person say me call technical school but not only a secondary school was available at the time so me call technical school because you am OGHS no yeah call GHS first ni sua technical drawing technical skills agriculture me music me literature me 14 subjects in GHS 14 now which me idea ba ko say how to raise a bed, how to. Doesn't be say enough. It's my teacher, Mr. Teacher J, the best teacher I've ever had in life, in my primary school days. Teacher J, amazing teacher. Or me send you din on son. How to develop the right brain. And you know, yenya botre. Na akrebian baby or swaba. On swabantem. Obi oha or checkakra.
Yes.
And son of a swabber. How did I become a senior prefect in secondary school? Obi Mabon.
Yeah.
Oh, but me fiasa me swabber.
A bra who a junior high school.
Sophobia. They were so good, encouraging me. Make us a message back. If I know Apostle DKC about the time next year, an incredible man on the year.
Showing crying.
They really teaching me. Or shaming crying. Joseph, make I does this one day because I'll say, I'll say, son, Mr. Papa. I say you can be a professor. Make I pa. I'm also in school form 2. I say you can be a professor. Me nim di onwin ye. But I say me ntia se won maybe hono. Ya na ye no wa. Say me to me express me who deeply in things. And conceptualization, your ability to say obetin ye mase.
Yeah.
No way use our language. One tia se there I say you were good at that. At that time. Me wa na me ni confidence.
Wow.
And you bet me a share teacher ni bia or dindan wa brabo. Enti awo 4 years them. Se results no akwa no hu wie na wan ya na me ma no me ma girls na catch me say daddy there's something happened in the secondary school. sometimes our teachers, some person boy, my girls like my girls too are my school more results. Or see, one more year, my dinner at the secondary school exams, no, a do or die affair.
Wow.
I'm not catching them, say, one just secondary school, about say, because it is, and yet I don't blame the teachers. That is the structure you're creating. Can you imagine? I lived elsewhere in Norway. Because man, who is a could fairly one subject I want to name that. Never. Ghana or in chap profile is something.
Yes. Na brabo baby.
When chap profile something go school. Na Japanese. Bravo na mo dey come school.
There be.
Saudi Arabia. Bravo na mo dey come school.
There be papa.
I something go school. When chap answer. Obet chap ko adenya now you can't go to school. Something is wrong with us. Papa,
when say ye ne lawyer kojo upon kroma honorable chichi nkomo na no sa nkomo na nkofo e de ba say see educational system no see a system.
What is wrong with us?
Because a sign kwala.
When
the rate one say what English is saying. Integrated science.
Hey man at Prof.
Hey mass.
Ani
mass no when try na wa bon. And one no disqualify. And one no near to watching it. Edi papa say a share because akwade bia wo de ewo ni mu ne de obetimi aye. Akwade bia wo de Nyankopon de hye ni mu ene de obetimi aye. Ade a nani gye ho ne ato atwene ne yemmoa. Edi papa your educational system ne de ese fata se be dane no ne yemfa saa nkwade ya wo ka wo mo asemi se bia wo mu nyini ho atechema no yemfa wo mu yempe baabi ma wo mu wuram ne nkoye private nkwa private de escafo betimi de wo ma akọ. What about a hiafo one edge no nipa no kwa wo ye na nka ne ba no eya de papa nka yemfa nka oye footballer oye say and kebe so
footballer ben aka say otemas what to say? We no ni mass. What to be that?
Baby,
ball no bono.
But nehe.
Sika wonya. Millions.
Fashion designer bay. And you can't say.
I know what to say. Message fashion designer about yes, what bomb mass. But and
o designer there too.
We have to understand.
Yes.
Obrano. And yan kru ne say what kind and out the brofo and out the way.
Yeah, the papa brofo ne di reti wo.
Learning in your own mother tongue is something we missed as a nation. Your own mother tongue. Say obetumi ne obanyaje kuma kan wasem akanka obetumi de o maame kasa o papa kasa ye de chew asu wetumi ade I express on ya nkyere ye ma ye say brofo wante brofo ntumi kwa anim wante ma minara ba ko me boso ono nte brofo say what brofo kwan abro no kan brofo no wante twi. So what is this? It's a colonization, say a colonial mentality. Say look, because you are and crofon tibrofo now so idea we do on sign it's attracting global attention. What is wrong with us? Because you are
Papa,
Yamisha. Abusia for Ekosua dear necessary to money. It was sunfi and now you will fear her. You to money. Any asusuma 10% krabeko enim ye tuoma se akoso onyame onhira papa na meka wo se wonga asuma se and then a perfect baby diapers or say mamefo a ne awofo amawo mumba na obehu na akra no na diaper na ode abono na nsuo na mu odwonso na efa ho oja na efa ho o say oni problem crack or the perfect baby diapers are big so a be shopping malls, supermarkets, and a market every year for a day one stamp as is say bam. Then also we from where 0531 099 889 0531 099 889 and 0303 95 7965 0303 957965. Perfect baby diapers or say a gentle care, a perfect comfort. Aye, Ediama Oba. I feel you make house just bread and pastries house. So yes, so Doctrine emudaho. I say Accra hadie just hot kinky. Doctrine in emu king kong. Or per se utopia. ubenya bi ato omo Doctrine, I think it's the cheapest wholesale price near 3 cedis ubenya kutu bi kura koton me catch convenient. The storage and delivery is good. Me ma try bi. Hey, me ma no omo pe basa. Obochi a na chese wa mo ano. Kama no apanish to be ne we bi eguso. Yeah, me mayi a ofie no aho. Omo wi ankasa. Available for funerals, event and bulk orders. The obeya ne say for 0256068832 0256068832 Just Bakery omo odome behind the commercial bank. I say make your Kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot Kenke. I was for me try me home Friday. Me ba ye beto so.
Aha! Just hot Kenke.
Just hot Kenke.
And your hot, just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot Kenke dokunonua. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more to dokuno monten so and no mutu etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuno serve wo wo die frey. Na ye customize the amount. Say the wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say obienim say just hot Kenke and noa and ye serve ya wo just bakery e wodome commercial bank in Chenwa and to fraying and was 02560688832 na yen customize your orders ne ma never serve wo say the wusi pen pepe just hot Kenke.
Just hot Kenke.
Hey, hot.
Yaba, I Sompa Delight. Bro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi Nakashani say Abna Ruthie. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa Delight, bro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Oyunyaku Pondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyaku Korea on what EP.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We enable to teach us Sompa First Service. Our Homayen, a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasishia, a bro Yankupon Casa Chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let us tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Chawo Home Hoda, a Yajuada Kusi if Yadanopa, and a Yajuada Kusi if Yadanopa, and Opano Nunkusi and Opanunsia. Fawodanina Pano Nunkusi and Opanunsia. Fawodanina Sheradins, na erade beye.
Kwa Jesu, why no Miss Bremois? I am yo, not done a Kodani Susa. Yam Sakomna Dino, and it's a was so Miss Ron Mammy. Hey, I could that you so Musano. Chef, you caught in the Mokrafo. Would a mammy in a diaper? Diaper no cradi, Master Sassa, me only a minion.
A diaper na. She diaper fufra bedja so a perfect baby diaper. Perfect baby diaper make an asemi. A chin suankasa. A muya motona de bakwadana. And sunset bia enguno. Perfect baby diaper make a. Ya gana hey ye. Na a bua gana kwadan suankasa. Onoka na ukoi.
Me ko perfect baby diaper si bia to sisia.
Na akwadane.
Fred 0531 099 889 and 0303 957 9 Fred 0531 099 889 and 0303 957 965 FDE Aji Ejadien Kratoi at 65 FDE Aji Ejadien Kratoi atum.
And none a jamnum media Sunday abram. Way a free 3 butterfly school. Tia yebie mo 3 Butterflies School. Sa wo ba enya bosome miensa ekosi emfie num. Na wo pesuku a wo de ne bekɔ a wo som becho. Wo da wo beda. Wo benya nteteye. Wo beko nanim wo enwomasuamu. Na duma chede wo ne mu nyina ebepia. Eye 3 Butterfly School. Yema British and GES curriculum. Enti adesua no emu do ankasa. Ye wo extra curriculum activities bi te say swimming lesson, taekwondo, ballet, and ye kanka ho. And abantan nso. Ye wo app bi a ye de amamoa. Wo betimi ehunu wo ma no, wo moden bo, baby wo maduru. Ene se de wo si gina wo na so, wo nyini, wo madwene mu, wo nwomasuamu. E wo EYLOG app ne so a ye di eye adwuma. Na de de ne say anopo no nsia pam pepepe. Na school na bie. Kopem enumre no nsia apam 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. When the about time ye ho atoye. Enti fa wo ba ne bra, se wanya bosome miensa ebesi emfie no mu a fa ne bra 3 Butterfly School.